everyone, this is Kirtana. In this series, we are going to see about NumPy sort. Naina is sitting on a couch and wanted to watch a top-rated Netflix series. She has 5 options and feel confused. Instead of guessing, let's use NumPy sorting to find the top-rated series. Here is the series. We have NumPy, NP array, Dark, Wednesday, and Squid Game, and so on. And for that, we have a rating here we mentioned. So we are going to sort it out right now. np.sort of rating. Yeah, here we got the output. So here you can see that the sorting was happened, but it was from lowest to highest. But what we want is a top rated series. So absolutely we have to do in a reverse order. So for that is known as descending order. Okay. So for that we can use a slicing. I give you few seconds. Can you please try that and please comment it out that answer? Okay. So now we study the how to do that. np.sort of rating. For slicing, we have to do so this order. Okay. So here we can see that 8.8 is the highest rated series. Okay. My question is, what is the series name? Yeah, we forget that one. Right, so for that we can use argsort. What it does, I'll explain. So when you having an array, the array has an index value. That order in that only it was stored. Okay, for an S1 the index is 0. For an S2 the index is 1. So it go like that. Same go to rating. We have 0 up to 4. Okay, so what here is happened, right? It's going to do the same sorting performance, but it's not going to show you the exact value. This value is going to be stored in backend. Front end, it only show the index of that value. So how we do it? We are going to do same one, but changing only the sort to argsort. Okay, let's take this first two value 0 and 4. Okay, remember this. For 0 we have 8.8 rating, right? The next thing was 4, we have 8.7. You got it right. So what we want as a series name. So go to the series table and check which in 0 index what is the name S1. So S1 is the series name. So we are going to see the series name here. np dot not np, we store this value here. Okay, we store this value in idx. So idx of 0 series. So now we got the series name dark. That is the first series. Just to see the here array. Here you can see the dark is the first series. Okay, now we are going to see the next topic named partition. So partition is like getting some part of the array. Here I want to get top 2 rating. Okay, just top 2 rating. For that what I'm going to do is okay, what it does is it get the top 2 rating and store it in the end of the array. Okay, So what it does in the backend is it's not going to sort all the entire array. Okay, that is the main thing. It already sorted and take that value to the back. Now we are going to take that using a slicing method. So we got 8.7 and 8.8. Okay. So next thing we are going to see is two-dimensional array. For two-dimensional array, we see the table first. Okay. Now Naina has 3 friends. Okay. The 3 friend is referring 3 movies a different rating. They are giving their rating to the movies. Okay. Sorry, series. So this two-dimensional array is nothing but it's just a table. Here the row is referred to user and the column is referred to series name. So Rx is giving a dark a 9 rating. Okay, that we mapped here. So in a NumPy array, what we do is we have a user and we have created a series, and this is how we creating our two-dimensional array. Okay. So my question here is, which show does each user like most? So I was saying about the user here. Okay, so same how we going to sort it for a top rated one. Here also we are going to use a sorting. Okay, so I say about this is all about user, right? The question is which show does the user like most? So to find that, we know that row refer to user. Rows are referred to user. So we have to sort it out in row wise. To sort it out in row wise, we have to use a friend's rating access equal to 1. That refer sorting in row wise. So now we got the array was sorted 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now my question is, which show does get stronger rating? So it's now this question is all about a show. So this time how we are going to sort? Yeah, we are going to sort it out by column wise. Okay. So I said axis equal to 1 is row wise. So what is the value for axis for column wise? 0. np.sort of friends rating axis equal to 0. So we have sorted it out. Now it was sorted like this 7, 8, 9. Okay. Thank you for watching this series. I hope you like this one.